Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got my Heaven panties for the month of August, and it's wrapped a little bit differently. Not sure if they're changing things up or what. So it's just a pink bag, which is nice. You cannot tell that what you're getting in this bag are panties, so you shouldn't be embarrassed about getting them sent to the house. Heaven panties they start at $9.99 a month. If you order for longer than that, you'll get discounts. And if you sign up under me, you'll get, or anybody that shows them, you'll get $20 to spend in their shop, and I'll also get $20 to spend in the shop. And they have beautiful things in the shop. They have beautiful lingerie. And I think I did ask for, just, you know, quote unquote, spend some of my money by getting a second pair. I think that might be in here because it feels pretty thick. I did cut it open. For your $9.99, you're getting a $45 value. So you're getting a complimentary stylist service, and you're getting free shipping. And you get to also, when you first sign up, you tell them your preferences, and you can change that up at any time. And actually just recently they've sent me a new sizing chart, so they have changed up their sizing. So let's see what's in there. It's the bag opens like this. Excuse me. Yeah, there are two in here. Okay. Let's see. Sometimes there's a card or something, but there isn't this time. Okay. Oh, okay. There, you can get a little sneak peek. There's something darker there and something lighter there. So I don't remember what I picked, because I did, because I do this, I get this in PR. I have to go through my stylist lady to pick something out. So I'll tell her, what I did was I gave her a list of 3 or 4 things, and then she picked something out to send me. So let's see what I got. So these bags are really nice. They're a Ziploc bag. Okay, Camille. And they open like this, and you can take them with you and reseal them if you want to. Use them for travel or whatever. They do, maybe they've always said what they are on the back, but I've never noticed it. So I think, let's see what this is. This is pretty. It's black, and look at that pretty lace going on there. So I might have picked these. So I get, now it's saying so they've changed their sizing. It's saying for US XXL and for European XXXL. And that's what I've been ordering, is the triple XL, which I normally would wear a 1 or a 2X, depending on, you know, what it is. I believe now the new US size for me is XXL. So these panties usually always have a tag on them, and they're usually always valued at $15. And these are really pretty. I think I did pick these out. They say that they are a hipster. And they look like a brief to me. They're very pretty. Silky black. So the full coverage in the back, and then in the front, it is full coverage in the front. There is this beautiful panel. I hope you can see that, where the satin has a design in it. It has some lines going through it, and it has this I don't know how you call that when you're sewing, but it's a lace panel that's sewn from here to here, and it's about this wide. I don't know that you can see it because it's black on black, so it's hard to see. But then this in the front is silky. It looks like lace, but it's not lace. So it looks like lace, but then there is the real lace here, again on this side, okay? And then there's this pretty design in the silk. So these are beautiful, very, very pretty. And there is always cotton where you need it. So this is black cotton on the inside. So this is a full coverage style. Their waistbands are very, very nice. I never have any trouble with things, you know, unsewing on their own, or unraveling would be the right word, wouldn't it? but they have a nice stretch to them and everything. And these are really pretty. I like them. Very pretty. I think I might have picked that one. Let's see what else they sent me. I could be wrong, like I said. All right, next we have, again, here's a cute little peekaboo. Now these also look like something that I told her that I would like. So I'm not sure if they're sending me two that I've picked from my, the money that I have, the quote unquote money, because you do, every dollar that you spend, you get also back to shop in the shop. Now I don't spend any money because they send this to me PR, but they put money in there for me. So I'm not sure if these are both from that, or if one of these is my August Heaven Panty. I really don't know, but these are cute. These are like a boy short. Let's see what it says about it. I think it said brief on there. It calls it a brief, a pink, comfy and seamless brief. So these are adorable. Look, they look like a little boy short to me. And this waist, this is very silky, and it is, I think it'll stay on you. It's sort of rubbery silky. Do you know what I mean? And it has a good stretch to it. And this is cotton then. I love the cotton. And they're just so cute. The pink, the polka dots, super cute. And then the way that the legs go. Look how cute those legs are. So that's like, is that like a boy short, y'all? I'm not quite sure, but it looks like it to me. And then again, cotton where you need it. So there goes the train. And this is just this decorated cutely. It has a cute little bow right there. Look at that. And again, the tag says $15. I did have one pair once that the tag said $25. So these, it says they're seamless. I don't know enough about seamless, but this is, you know, there's a seam on the side. So on both sides. So I think they're adorable. So what do y'all think of my panties this month? Super cute, pretty and sexy, and then just in the everyday kind. I love that. So cute, so cute. Thank y'all for stopping by to see my panties. Sort of a funny thing to say each month, but I appreciate it. Heaven Panty, thank you so much for sending this to me. And y'all, thanks for stopping by. And if you're interested at all, I have a link below. If you can click on that and look and see if it's something you want to do. Like I said, if you sign up for more than 1 month at a time, you'll save more money. And it's a pretty good deal, I think. They're nice. They wash well, they wear well. I haven't had any problems with them. So thank you, Heaven Panty. And y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.